Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and having a great microphone headset is pretty much essential to my job. I've went through a few of them, but this BANIGIPA headset is my new favorite. This Bluetooth headset easily pairs to my devices by means of the little button on the side. It rests so naturally around my ears and head, and it really stays put. I'm so appreciative of how comfortable and lightweight this headset is. I'm really happy that this headset does not go inside my ears. I don't have to worry about my inner ear canal getting itchy or experiencing irritation. I love how this headset is really flexible and durable. I think that this makes it great to pack for when I'm going away. It takes up very little space in my overnight bag or my suitcase. I can always have it on hand and be ready for my work even when I'm traveling. I have found that this headset provides great sound on both sides for me and for the people that I'm talking to. I have really enjoyed using it for chatting with friends on a video conference call and also for my online teaching job. I have never experienced using a headset before that I practically forget is even there, but that is what I found with this BANIGIPA headset. And that's my point of view.